AI can create some incredible images, but I wanted to know something else. Can it actually make a movie? Not just make things move, but keep the same character, create cinematic shots, show emotion, control the camera, and maybe even survive a sword fight. And obviously, I make myself the main character of an epic fantasy movie. Because why not? The story is simple. I return to a fortress to save my king, only to discover that I'm too late. And from there things go very wrong. I get surrounded, I have to fight, to run from my life, just another normal Tuesday. But the movie wasn't really the experiment, the AI was. I wanted to find out what it could actually do well and where everything will completely fall apart. First, the character. I started with one photo of mine and turned it into this medieval warrior. And come on, look at this. The armor, the fur, the sword. I already look like I haven't had a shower in 3 weeks. Perfect! But creating one cool image is easy. The real test was, can AI keep the same character across an entire movie? Different angles, different lighting, wide shots, close-up, snow, the throne room, and surprisingly, I did a pretty good job. Not perfect, but good enough that these shots actually feel like the same character. Then came the part I was really curious about. Acting. Could I make this character actually react to the story? Fear, suspicion, realization, determination. And this is where I noticed something interesting. The smaller the movement, the better it looks. Subtle reaction works surprisingly well. And suddenly a still image started feeling like an actually movie shot. Look at the camera movement. How is this free? Okay, that's actually pretty cool. And then I give him a sword. This was a mistake. Walking, fine. Looking dramatic, apparently this man was born for it. Sword fighting, absolutely not. But when it works, wow. And that's really the interesting part. AI isn't equally good at everything. Composition, real good. Atmosphere, excellent. Slow cinematic movements, surprisingly convincing. Subtle acting, way better than I expected. Sword fighting, we're not there yet. And remember, this whole thing started with one photo of mine. So, how close can AI actually get to making a movie? You tell me.
I came to save my king. But I was too late. You came. They said I killed him. So I ran. I fought. And when the kingdom needed a king, they chose me.
The king is dead, long live the king. Okay, I'm not saying Hollywood should call me, but I definitely keeping the crown. Honestly, this was way better than I expected, and we're definitely not done with this character yet. So, don't forget, creativity is intelligence having fun.